Hello everybody, it's Friday the 6th of April and it's about, it's nearly 9 o'clock in the morning. I've got one of those rare things called a bit of time off work. So I thought I'd just give you an update on the allotment, and apologies for not being doing posts. I've just been far too busy with a lot of things, but that's no excuse. Anyway, this is how things have been going. People are prepping. Some have left because we've got because of the water table. You might be able to see the way the plots dip. Because of the water table underneath, it gets flooded really easily and badly. As you can see, the centre part, we're going to do some work on this year when it dries out. As you can see, this is a massive dip, massive bowl, so we're going to work on this. Shows you how much it's dropped over the past year. That, my friends, that soil was right up to the top. So anyway, I've just come up. We got some soil delivered yesterday, some bed filling soil. So we're just gonna fill up some of the beds on my insane plot. Quite chuffed with that actually. I built that myself. So there you go. Anyway, we'll get back to you shortly. Toodaloo.